So in yesterday's video, we speculated that if one cruise lines changed its health and safety protocols, that the others would follow right along behind it. And unfortunately, that has proven to be true. And we have 4 new cruise lines today have updated their testing policies. And we're going to get into each of them right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So 4 more cruise lines have updated their pre-cruise COVID-19 testing, and we're going to start with Holland America. Now, Holland America and Princess Cruise Lines are both owned by the Carnival Corporation, so it is not really a surprise that they have adopted the same testing requirements as Carnival Cruise Lines, but their dates are just a little bit different. So for Holland America, starting on September the 13th, which is the same as Carnival Cruise Lines, you will have to get your COVID-19 test done 2 days prior to embarkation instead of 3. So if you are sailing on the 11th, the 12th, or an earlier date, you are still good at 3 days. But starting September the 13th, the COVID test is down to 2 days as well. Now, Princess Cruise Lines has also made the same change, except for they are starting on September the 19th. So beginning September the 19th for Princess Cruises, that is when they are going to the 2-day test requirement prior to sailing. Now, just like Carnival Cruise Lines, both Princess Cruise Lines and Holland American Cruise Lines are working to get mobile testing sites at or near the cruise terminal for those that can't get test results in time. However, that is a work in progress. No actual date has been given to when that will be in effect or when that will be an option for you. So for now, we continue to scramble to try to get test results back within 2 days prior to embarkation. And so remember, this is in days, this is not in hours. So if you are sailing on a Saturday, the earliest you can take your test is Thursday morning. Because like I said, they are only looking at it in days now, not in hours at all. So just 2 days prior. So next up will be MSC Cruise Lines, and they are also going to the 2-day test requirement, and they will also be starting on September the 13th. No word yet from MSC if they are going to attempt any type of mobile testing at the cruise terminals. At this point, they've only announced that it will be a 2-day test requirement prior to embarkation, starting on September the 13th. And finally, we have the big one, and that is Royal Caribbean. They have also fallen right in line with the CDC's recommendations. And Royal Caribbean will also be starting this requirement on September the 13th. So beginning on that Monday, if you are cruising anytime from the 13th forward, you will have to have your COVID-19 test done 2 days prior to embarkation. Now, one thing that Royal Caribbean did mention is that they will be offering an in-home testing kit that you can order, have it shipped directly to your home within 2 business days, and that is an acceptable test. And you can go to royalcaribbean.com to get more information and to order that test. It's ordered directly from Royal Caribbean. But just like any of the cruise lines, because that does not matter which cruise line you are going on, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, or if you just want to make sure you are getting to the cruise port with all of the proper requirements, definitely go to your cruise line's website. Check the health and safety protocols. Make sure you know what you need to know. I've been saying this in several videos recently, but it is that important. With these health and safety protocols changing, continuously, daily, weekly, sometimes with only days before your next cruise, you definitely want to keep up on your cruise line's website and make sure you are staying ahead of all of the requirements so that you don't get to a cruise port and find out you cannot board the ship because you didn't meet one of the requirements. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.